Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong 6 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So as you can see, this device blacks out a little bit too fast for my liking, so let's change it. Let's enter the settings first of all, and now scroll and find the display. Here we have to tap on advanced and find this option, so the screen timeout. And as you can see here, we've got some options related to the timeout. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom the longest option, which is 30 minutes in this device. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll choose 5 minutes. And as you can see, that's immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.